channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
The Android screen for Mercedes cars. Here I added a special boot up image of the car model that the screen sits in, which I think is very appropriate for it. And then I also did a custom wallpaper, as you can see here, which also features the car that the screen sits in. So how did I do this? Click on Apps, then Settings, then General. Then you click on Boot logo. You do 5, 6, 7, 8. Click OK. And here you have all the pictures that came with the screen. You can choose any one you want, if you want any of those. Then if you click here, you get the pictures from the USB stick. So here you can just choose the one you really like. And then just click OK. And you're updated. So next time you start the screen, it will look like this. And now how we change the wallpaper. Well, you do a long press here, and you get the options to choose wallpapers. These are the ones that came with the screen. And choose whichever you would like. And then if you do the file, you can add your own pictures to the USB stick, and then you can just try out the pics you have on there and choose the one you think fits best. And then you extend this so it covers the whole background. And then you click save, and next time you start the screen it looks like this. And here I'll show you another type of picture. That's my boot up picture. It's not made to be a background, but just to show you what a background picture not should look like when it's not fitted for the apps. So as you can see here, this do not fit very well with the apps on the screen, so this is something you have to think of when you design the picture, so it fits the best way. So that's it for this short video. I hope you like the settings you can do on this Android unit. This is for the version 2 unit, not for the version 1. So till next time, see ya!